assignment. I want to congratulate us for this activity marking the physician week for this year. I also want to appreciate Dr. Ipaye, the former Commissioner for Health. I think I may have to collect some words before I let it out. Very soon it's going to be someone with some money. And so I appreciate the ES, the directors, and without really wasting our time, we've actually gone so far. I bring greetings from the Honorable Commissioner to all of us. We appreciate you so much, especially our amiable governor, also who has invested so much and of course also make us happy as an association in the past few weeks. We wish you well in this activity, that's the Physician Week. And the team and the sub-team, I must say, are just appropriate for this time. And who else would have given that lecture? The team, if not Dr. Ipaye. You can see, I'm sure there are so many things we didn't say about him. So many things. If you know him very well, he's a man of many parts. Dr. Ipaye, once again, he was made in Ogun State, and he has served the good people of Ogun State, and he's serving humanity at the highest level.
Much Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health. And next to give his short keynote address is Dr. Wellington. I love that name. Wellington.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I think we've been enjoying ourselves enormously from the just had. I'm Dr. Osanya, Director of Planning, HMP. I'm here to represent Hospitals Management Board. Let me start with the existing protocol. I want to recognize Dr. Eni Mola, our father in the profession, chairman of this occasion. Let me also appreciate our distinguished lecturer, Dr. Babatunde Ipaye. You are welcome, sir. My permanent secretary, Dr. Kayode Ojimi. Other protocol extend. I bring to us the greetings from our permanent secretary, Dr. Elebide. She's busy with the current project 10 million that is ongoing throughout the Federation. And we have the mandate to screen 350 Ogun citizens for hypertension and diabetes. She says on this week's Physicians Week, she wishes us a fruitful deliberation. In HMB, we have quite HMB, so HMB is also celebrating along with you. We were excited when we saw that one of the topics to be talked about is how to organize good remuneration for our doctors. You see, HMB quite a lot in the sense that we bring in doctors in no small time. The fundamental problem is the issue of remuneration. But for us to get there, a lot of work has to be done. We've been told that we have to put every hand, all posts must be in the insurance basket. And that's a tall order. And I think with our governor who has signed our good act for our AS that is here, I think we'll get there one day. We should follow up our activity. We should know our onions. We should also be good doctor. All these factors just week, and then to wish us a very fruitful and impactful deliberations. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, sir. And can we also have the ESOG chairperson of Dr. Desumo have a brief keynote for us?
Well, this is unexpected. I will try. The first one is the fact that my Ogun that I got very close with when he was commissioner for health is the keynote speaker today. Also promoted health insurance to also. Everybody that knows me, I'm not here representing anyone, I'm representing myself. And I only speak to us here. I've had one or two conversations with the US coast. And incidentally, last week, one of those conversations was the fact that charity has to begin at home. I was just telling those, they are here, they know themselves. That's becoming talking about this insurance, and we don't want leading the fight. Because at the end of the day, when we get this thing right, we are the greatest beneficiaries of this health insurance. So thank you, sir. Permit me to also say that I was SA technical to him when he was Commissioner for Health in the State, a post that I enjoyed tremendously. And of course, we are not surprised with the policy of what he has brought to us, because he has told us the truth. It's just as if it's reading my mind, but these are some of the conversations we also had here. That we need to, one of the things I didn't hear him say that I was expecting was going to say, is that the leadership is not giving. You have to earn it. And for those posts that statutorily should be ours, we need to show that leadership quality for people to now know that it's us that is truly the leaders of the health sector. Well, I commemorate and celebrate, starting on a very good note. We are waiting for that alert that they've promised us, and they've raised our expectations very high. That there have been some things that they've worked on that will help us solve problems about applicability. And I know that everybody is waiting with bated breath for that salary to come in or to land. I pray that our expectation will not be cut short. I didn't get the amen no. But they are doing well, they've started well. So thank you very much for coming and also celebrating ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir. Before I call the next person for a brief keynote, there is a black Toyota Camry parked outside with plate number AYE 218AA. You're blocking someone. Do well, step out and repark. The MD CEO of Faramed Hospital give his brief keynote address.
Please let's give him a round of applause.
Distinguished members of the high table, number one doctor, leaders of NMA, our senior colleagues present, as Dr. Babatunde, with greetings. I want to thank you for the opportunity of being here today and congratulate our newly elected president of the NMA for organizing this. Some of the things that have been said, especially by the last speaker, the former commissioner for health, Dr. Ipaye, said it. We assume leadership. We spent so long in the medical school. We are the brightest, and the question is, and so what? What comes after? So the owners now come to us that are coming behind to really answer that question. Take up leadership of this sector. Make changes that will make other participants in the health space respect us as doctors. I come from the private medical background. I've always been in private medical. It helps us quite a lot. Some of our elders are supposed to have retired now, but where are those to replace them? It's based on this topic. So I hope we'll be coming out of this place well grounded I really enjoyed the lecture by the Honorable Commissioner. Well grounded in things that we should do to make changes in the health sector. One, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Permit me to appreciate the presence of a wonderful man in our midst, a father, and a medical elder, in person of Dr. Ipaye Gbadebo Saba and his wife, Mrs. Oluwatoyin Saba, the MD CEO of Ogun Hospital. You're welcome, sir. We appreciate you and thank you for always being there for us. God bless you, sir. All right. Sorry. Can we have Mr. Suresh? No. Mr. Suresh? No. To give a brief keynote, even if it is just 30 seconds to 1 minute before we move ahead. He is the marketing manager of Sun Pharmaceutical. This pharmaceutical company have been there for us and they've been like a back to us.
Just I want to say good afternoon, Ekaso, Eko Raji, Babuni, Ekushe. And this opportunity given to me, I just want to share a very happy news to all that Sam Pharmaceuticals is in this country for the last few. Our pharmaceutical facility to none other than state. It is coming to our new factory, the art of, I can say, the state of art of this quality going to be located in Sangota, and the production and the manufacturing process, the process not started, but the first quarter of the next year, we are planning to do the commissioning of the factory. So you can imagine it will be a GMP certified factory with a nitrogen plant, and everything will be a world-class factory to provide you the quality products for the healthcare community. I can assure you, and here those dignitaries who are here already, they have witnessed, they know the quality of SAM products. I don't have to talk much about it. But please, we want your blessings and support at the time of what I can say during the commission of the factory. If time permits, I am going to. It is a welcome idea, and I am telling you at this time, business people are really suffering. This is a very distressing time for the business owners. I'm telling you, today the factory, even in our Kwara state, what we are running is already on 25% increment in the production cost. Can I pass all these to the end user? It is not possible. Because as we know very well that, pharmaceutical industry is on a priority sector and manufacturing is the key to nation building. So it will not only provide the job opportunities for the indigenous, and also it will contribute to the GDP, and at the same time it will also conserve the unwanted, what we call the scarce forex, which is being depleted due to unwanted importation. So with this note, with the backing of local manufacturing, because today the guiding principle of today's administration is to focus and give market for the local manufacturers. And I'm sure which has come that local manufacturers will be benefited very soon, because there is an executive order waiving off all the duty for the local machineries, and not only that, even for the active pharma ingredients. So this is a welcome idea, and I am sure that once it is implemented, the aim of the ministry is that the product should be affordable to all class of citizens, and we are ready to support that today's government policy. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Nara, for Sun Pharmaceutical. So our lead speaker is going to be leaving us very soon because of his time, and we have a token to present to him, which will be done by the chairman of the occasion, Dr. Sunday. Give him a round of applause.
Sorry, before the presentation, do we have any question for Dr. Ipaye concerning his first presentation before he leaves? Do we have any one or two? Not more than two. Questions? We are bright students, we understand everything.
On behalf of MMA Ogun State, this position, you are hereby presented with this award. What is presented to Dr. Babatunde Ipaye, FWACP, Fellow West African College of Physicians. You have consistently challenged the status quo and explored new ideas and approaches. Your innovative ideas out of the box thinking. Nigerian Medical Association Ogun State branch says thank you.
Right, can we have the high table? Take picture with please. Please. Can the executives come close? The executives. The SOC members. Can we have the SOC members join the picture before we take it? That's all. All past chairmen in the house join the picture. Thank you so very much, sir.